Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix iPhone camera black screen, iPhone camera blurry, camera not working. If you are using urgent need to using the camera app to capture significant movements and find that it is not working properly due to the black screen. What should you do? Take it easy. Solution 1. Click on settings app. In setting page, click on screen time. Click on content and privacy restriction. Toggle on camera. If already toggle on, then toggle off. After 10 seconds, toggle on it. If solution number 1 not working, then applying solution number 2. Click on settings app. In setting page, click on accessibility. Click on voiceover. If voiceover toggle on, then double tap, toggle off voiceover. Solution 3. Open camera app. Tap on right bottom corner, front and back camera switch. If your iPhone overheated, you should cool it down and close the camera app and open the camera app after 5 minutes. If your iPhone camera is blurry, be sure to clean the lens with a clean and dry magnifier cloth. Solution 4. Open your settings app. In setting page, click on general. Click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset. Click on reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. Again click on reset all settings to confirm this process. Solution 5. Remove background apps. Sweep up screen at bottom. Close them by sweeping out. Go to settings. In setting page, click on general. Click on software updates. If update available, then click on download and install and update your iPhone on latest iOS version. Guys, if this video helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe.